So welcome to MLAC online tutorial, and today still continuing this series of change of formula. Now here's another question here. Now given that P equals to x plus y m raised to power 2. Now find m in terms of P, x and y. What the question simply is saying is to make y the subject of formula. Okay, to start with, here we have that P equals to x plus y m raised to power 2. Now first of all, let us remove this guy here, which is x. What we need to do now is just to transpose it over to this side. So here we have that P minus x equals y m squared. Now what do we have here again? Now here we have y m squared. What do we need to do? Just divide both sides by y. This cancel this. Here we have that m squared equals P minus x over what? Y. Take note, we are asked to find, make m the square formula and not m squared. As such, now square root both sides. So we square root m squared and we square root P minus x over y. Now this we cancel this, so that our m becomes the square root of P minus x over y. All right, now, oh, sorry for that. Here, so in a nutshell, here we have that m equals to the square root of P minus x over y. All right, thank you. Now more examples coming. Okay, here's another example given that d equals L, all in brackets, m over k plus u square over 25. Now making u the subject of formula. Now first of all, in this expression, what do we need to do first? Take away L, which means we are dividing both sides by L. So as such, we can now say d over L equals to L into m over k plus u square over 25 times 1 over L. So this will cancel this. Take note, we will actually multiply with 1 over L here. So here we have d over L equals to m over k plus u square over 25. Now here what we need to do now, it's very much easier if we just transpose this fraction to the left hand side than looking for the LCM. So by sorry, we now say d all over L. Now transposing this whole of this to the left hand side, we have minus m over k equals u square over 25. All right, and as such here now, what we just need to do here now is multiplying 25 with both sides. So which means here that 25, okay, then times the whole of d over L minus m over k, then equals u square over 25 times 25. So this cancels this here. So as such, now you can now say this is u equals to, u square equals to, now this is 25 now into d over L minus m over k. Okay, so what we're going to do here now is to square root both sides. So we say here the square root of u square equals to the square root of all this. That will be 25 into d minus d over L minus m over k. So this will cancel this, so our u now becomes, this in a nutshell becomes 5, which simply means 25 then times the square root of all this, d over L minus m over k. So here we have that u equals to 5, the square root of all, d over L minus m over k. All right, thank you. Oh, sorry. Thank you and God bless you.